Hello, in this video you'll learn how to use property patterns in C#, one of the more modern things in .NET 10 and C# 14. It is a great way to sort of make your if statements more readable and more perhaps interactable, in a sense that you don't have to clutter them with different things or even separate perhaps part of that if statement logic into a separate method. So here we have a simple example. We have a list of users and they are a record. So a list of records, in this case, it's an array. It could be a list. It doesn't matter. That's not the point. The point is that we need to find, say, a certain name in this case for the user and whether it's true or false, whether it's active or not, essentially. Very simple, basic thing. And we also have null, which will be interesting to see. So we loop through it, we see how it goes. The old way to do it, right here, very simple to some extent, but if we had more methods, we would probably then have to separate into another method to kind of check these things, check the properties. In this way, of course, you would have to do it at some point, but it is a lot more cleaner just at the start. Also, there is a sort of embedded null handling, and there is some performance improvements as well. So all great and good. Now you have null check, and then you have name equals Alice in this case, and then user verified true. Kind of cumbersome, quite a lot of stuff. The new way is much more simple. Essentially, in this case, we have a record right here, public record user, and you can check any property. You can basically match it if it's true or false, like this. User is. So this automatically will do the null check. You don't have to worry about that. Later we can check it, why it failed, if it's null and whatnot, just sort of additional check. But in general, you don't have to perform that. The null is already handled. And then we have name Alice. If it's true, then we write is verified. If verified is true, okay, we're good to go. So essentially, you just have your property, then is, or rather your object here, and then your properties, just whatever matches. And that's how you do that.